Okay, guys, quickly, I want you to go to your Play Store, download Alipay app. Once you're done with that, this is the app, brings you here. So here you change your country to Nigeria. Nigeria. Okay. So here, then you input your number. So let's say I used 09078214567. I'm just using a test, okay? Click on agree. They say enter code. Please enter the code received by this number. So you have to wait. Once a code is being sent to you, then you input. So the code has been input. It has been sent and I have input my code. You click on agree. Right. So this is where it brings you to. Location based service authorized at lead blah blah blah. For now, okay, so this is your home page, right? This is your Alipay. You click on cancel. This is your Alipay. They say switch to the international version for a simpler design. Let's see what has here for us. So here, guys, I want to advise you, okay, that whenever you use your Alipay or open your Alipay account, if you observe or notice that your version is under standard, I'll still show you how to change this, okay? But check if your version is under standard, please always put it to international. I'll show you how where it requires you to also do the same here, but always leave it on international, okay? And click on save. Okay, so once you're done, this is it. Brings you here. So the next thing here, you can see under here, you can actually chat with your friends if you have any. This is my profile now, so let's come to profile, right? You click on settings, right? So here they say account and security. You click on account and security. So here they said real name verification, okay, unverified. Okay, the network is a bit poor. So they say identity verification, verify now, okay? So here you need, if you're opening an Alipay account, you need an international passport. If you don't have an international passport, but maybe your friend, any family member has an international passport, you can use that person's international passport and make sure that that person is close by, because they will require for you to take a photo, right? You take a photo, that short passport of that person also to confirm. So here you can click on scan to fill in automatically, or you click on select album. I will advise that you click on select from album, because once you've snapped your international passport, you can crop it like to the desired size that it requires here, right? You can also use scanning, but that other method of using taking the picture from your phone, from your album, I recommend, because by then you've already snapped your passports and you've already cropped it to the size required, okay? Here they say scan, so see here it's going to just scan in your picture or the passport. That's the here they said align the information page of your passport, right? So here you're just going to put in, is going to scan a passport for you, right? Or you take it from your album. Maybe if you have any picture for of the international passport that you've created, right? You then input it there. Okay, you just click on it and it automatically scan for you, but I'm not ready to do that. I'm just showing you how to do that. Okay, then here they say full name on passport. You input your full name, then passport number, enter passport number. You remove that numbers that is in your international passport or national ID card. You know that those numbers that are in your either voters card or national ID card, that they are aligned. Like, is it voters card, you find a place where they wrote, is it A or something? Like, okay, let's go in search so that you see what I mean by international passports and the number. Okay, where is my opera? Okay, so international passport. So I want you to see, I want you all to see how the international passport looks like. Okay, copy. Okay, you can see how international passports looks like. Okay, you can see it all. You can see it here, right? So let me click on one to show you what I mean by that number required. I'm looking for a clear one. You see here, you see where you see this AA with a red ink, 0123. That's the number, that's the passport number required. Okay, that's the passport number required. So you input it here, then you input your date of birth, you input your passport expiring date, and once you're done with that, you click on submit. Then your identity will be verified immediately, right? So once you're done with that, you come to payment settings. Set. You click on set. I just want you to look at everything that I'm doing step by step. Okay, the reason why we need this Alipay account is for you to be able to pay your supplier. You don't need to change RMB with any is it freight forwarder, or how do they call them? Because most of them cheat a lot. Like, some here, in once you're using Alipay will enable you have access to know the current rates, right? That will, if like in Alipay you have a, if your supplier or freight forwarder will tell you that, okay, the current rate in yuan to pay your supplier is 95 yuan, but in Alipay, instead of 95 yuan, you can find it on 65 yuan. You understand what I'm trying to say? Because they will add their own personal interest in it, right? They will add their own rate in it. So here they say, please set a 6-digit payment password for account. Okay, I'll set a 6-digit password now, and once we're done, we'll show you the next. So these are password, and once you're done, you click on next. Payment password added. So you see, you have your payment password set already. So once you're done with that, that is it, right? Once you're done with that, that is it. So here, once you click here, you see, you come here, your password has been set already. Okay, so next is, I'll be showing you hey, switch version, like I explained earlier at the beginning of the video about standard and international. So you click on this switch version, right? You click on this switch version, you see now is on international, because before it was on standard, but we've set it on international, right? So you go on, then here you can click on privacy to check, edit, because I don't want this video to be too lengthy, you get. So all these things, once you create your Alipay account, you can follow these procedures, edit what you need to edit, input what you need to input. Okay, and here you can Then go back here where you see this, you just click on where you see nickname. Okay, you click here, and then here it says profile homepage. This is your profile homepage, right? Where you set your nickname, what's up, edit profile, moments, my name card, blah blah blah. All these edits you can do it yourself. Then real name verification. Here this is unverified because before we verify our real name, like we need to input all those in, is it international passports and the rest. Okay, so here Alipay account, you click on Alipay account. You see current no mobile number used to log in, change mobile number if you want to. Then here it says my name card. So here, this is where once your profile picture, because my profile picture is not inputted yet because I haven't verified it using my international passport. I'm just using this as a test for you guys because I have my own personal Alipay account already. Okay, so I'm just using this as a test. Once you verified using your international passport and everything, then you now take a picture. That's a passport picture. It's going to appear as your profile. It's not going to look at a ghost identity here. So that picture will now appear where you are seeing this blue icon like a Chinese write-up like that. So once you're done with that, you can screenshot. This is what you screenshot and chrome it. Then you send it to your Chinese supplier to scan this and add you as a friend on Alipay so that you can be able to pay that person. Okay, or you share it on WeChat, or you save the album, right? So because how to verify your supplier or connect with your supplier to pay that person via Alipay, do your transfer or fund or anything, you need your supplier's identity. That's scan code, just like the scan code you saw that I just showed you. You chrome it, your supplier will also send hers, you scan it. I will show you how to do that. Okay, so here you input your shipping address, my invoice title, blah blah blah, and the rest. You can do that all by yourself. Okay, so here click on membership, right, to check what you have here under membership. Okay, here transactions, you click here if you've made any transactions before, blah blah blah. Here it will show all. Okay, then here balance, to check your balance, you can also click here and check your balance. If you want to top up your balance, make sure that before, here they say oops, you don't have a bank card that can, so here you can just add up your bank card. You input your bank details, click to enter my bank card number, right? So you input all your bank card details, or you scan your bank card, allow Alipay to take pictures, blah blah blah. Here this is not what we're doing here, so go back. I'm just explaining all you need to know here. Okay, so you can also withdraw. Then here, this is where we have transfer, multiple card, loan, blah blah blah. So once you click on this transfer, right, once you click on this transfer, this is where you can now transfer your money to your supplier. You have to enter mobile number, contact name, or bank card, blah blah blah. Here are all informations. Like, I'm just giving you a walkthrough about Alipay. Okay, I'm just giving you a walkthrough about Alipay, but make sure that your Alipay account is verified using your international passport. And once you're done with that, you have access to everything. Because here I'm just using an example, I'm just giving you an example how, or illustration how to actually walk through your Alipay. Okay, so you come back to home. There is very important something I want to show you here. You see here, this scan allows you to scan code of your supplier. Maybe that your supplier now send you that code that I told you. You just click on this scan and it will scan that code automatically and add up that person. But we're not ready to do that. We'll go back. Here, you have pay, you have collect, you have pockets. Okay, so I'll now introduce you to what we call tour pass. You see, so this is where you have your Alipay official, support your card, refundable, blah blah blah. You can go through all these write-ups. Like I said, I don't want to prolong this video, okay? So here you can click on use Alipay to play. You just click on use now, or use Alipay to top money or anything. So here they said verify info, verify your personal information due to regulation, blah blah blah. So what you need to do now is your nationality and religion. You input your country. My country is Nigeria. So you click, if you're in Ghana, wherever you are watching this, you input your country code. So my country is Nigeria. So you put in your passport number, 6 to 9 characters. Your passport number that I told you. You put your and your name on passports. You input it, expiry date of your passport, date of birth, all this information from your national ID card, international ID card. Okay, that's your international passport. Sorry, that's your international passport. I told you all earlier about it. So these are the process. Okay, you first click on tour pass, click on use now, click on verify. You input your country and then it takes you to how to then input your international passport details. Then next you select amount you need to pay. Okay, once you select amount you need to pay, then next is payment. Okay, and make sure that you fund your Alipay account already. And how to fund your Alipay account, I told you. You can use your local card. If you're using UBA, you can use your local UBA card to fund your Alipay account from Naira to Yuan. Okay, so here next is, I've showed you how to go through the topaz. Next here is you click on pay. So here they say open payment. To use this feature, you must add a bank card or other payment method. So you click on add. If you want to receive money also, you can click on that receive money. So once you click on this add, this is where you're going to then input your card details. Okay, I showed you how to do that earlier. You're going to do that. So if it's enable payment code, you click on it. Payment password, click on it. If you have any payment password, if you have any payment password, you input your password in it, right? Then if you just want to add a card details, add bank card, you add it. You click to add it. Okay, and you type in. I don't want to really work on anything here, I'm just showing you an example. So here they say enter bank card number to add. So you enter your bank card number. If it's UBA you're using, you enter the numbers on your bank card. You input all the numbers here. Let's just say this is the numbers, I'm just citing example. You then submit. Once you're done, it will take you to the next step of inputting maybe expiry date and blah 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 and the rest. Okay, so once you're done with that, once you added, you can click on receive money. You can transfer. You see, if you want to receive money, you scan this code, screenshot it if you want, or save this image and send it to the person you want. Maybe if you have a friend, to test this your Alipay to know whether it's working, if you have a friend who also has an Alipay, you tell that person to please fund your account. That's the person to fund your account. You just save this image and send it to your friend. Even if it's 1 yuan, the friend can send it to you for you to confirm that actually your Alipay account is working. Okay, here you can transfer, you can receive. Once you click on transfer, it will ask you to add card information. Transfer to Alipay, bank card, blah blah blah. Either they said web page is provided by blah blah blah. You can either share via WeChat or copy UR or Alipay friend, or send request to a friend on Alipay, and that's all. What next again? Here you can just have a walkthrough to check. So I think that's all. You click on more for other information. This is the homepage app, more. These are informations and financial management, shopping, entertainment, blah blah blah. And secondly or lastly, I want you to know that you can chat. I've told you about that. You just simply come to message. Maybe after you add friends here, you can add new friends, add by contacts, blah blah blah. You can add the person by contact, okay? Maybe via group chat, or you click on where you see this plus. Here they say group chats, add contact, scan QR code. If you click on scan QR code, that means that code that I showed you, that in the middle it will appear like a picture like that. Once you have that saved, you just use this scanning method. You allow Alipay to take pictures and record videos. Once you click on allow, it will go to your gallery directly, or if you have the code, you can then scan it, or you go to album. If the code is here in your album, or that picture you saved is here in your album, you just click on it and it will scan automatically. Okay, so that's all guys. That's all. Make sure you come to your me profile, make sure you add your nickname, you remove this avatar, make sure your picture is there, do a lot. And this tobacco account, let me explain this. Your tobacco account is the account that has been connected to your is it 1688 website. This is your tobacco username. This is it. They say username is non-editable, which can be used on Alipay, Tuabo and Timal, and for your friends to find you. This is your username, this TB and the name number like that. Okay, this is your Tuabo account. So in your 1688, why you need this to is it Tobao or Tuabo account? Why you need this in your Alipay? I showed you guys a video when I made mention of how to source for products in 1688 or Alibaba. How to source products in 1688 and then pay through Alipay. This is, once you click on that Alipay, this is the account, this number. Once you click on Alipay, this is the number you input or has already been connected to your 1688 account. So this is where it will now automatically sign you into your Alipay account. Then you make your payments. You understand? That is it, guys. It's as simple as that. The only thing you need is your international passport. Anybody saying that you need a foreign number, no, just make sure once you have an international passport, guys, you're good to go, and that's all. You can make payments to your supplier directly. The only thing you need is just make payment to your supplier and send them your shipping agent address. You're done. You make your payments in RMB or yuan to your supplier. That is all. You're done.